Hey guys, surprisingly, Zepto is giving free gifts worth 3 crores. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have placed an order on Zepto. There's a gift card available for everyone on the order value 249 rupees and above. You can check out the Rakhi offers as well. Let's check out now what's a free gift on the occasion of Rakhi. This is Kalesh gift card by Zepto. Now we'll open up and see what are the mystery rewards or the gifts inside this. So as I told earlier, this is Kalesh gift card. You have stickers here. You can have fun using them, right? And here the gifts or the top gifts you can win are TV, Apple iPhone and PlayStation and lot more, as you see here. So we'll check out the gift card. As you see here, if you a code or the number is given with which you can claim 3 crores worth of free gifts. As you see here, this is the process you got to follow. Now we'll see as how to scan this QR code and claim these gifts. Go to Google Chrome, click on Lens and scan the QR code as shown in the picture. Click on the link, then you will be navigated to Zepto. Click on claim my reward, enter your phone number and enter the code that was given on the gift card. Once you are done, you see here your free gift would be revealed. Now click on redeem now. You can add the products to the cart as shown in the picture and go to view cart, and here you can claim your free gift by entering the coupon code, or it will be automatically shown up over there. Just click on apply and claim your free gift. And here is a special gift. This is user specified. You may or you may not get. You can get this free gift on order value 249 rupees. Now we'll check out the special gifts and 3 crores worth of free gifts. Go to Zepto app, click on Zepto. Here you can click on the banner Kalesh gift card. Once you click on that, you can go through all the free gifts. You have iPhone, PlayStation, as I told earlier. These worth 3 crores of rupees free gifts. After going through all this, you can get back, and here you can unlock a free gift as shown in the picture and add products worth 229 rupees. And to claim Kalesh gift card, you have to place an order of rupees 249. Okay, if you want coupons, you can click on win rewards and spin the wheel as shown in the video. Once you are done with this, you can claim it. Otherwise, you can get back and claim it later. Now you can add the products you want. Rakhis are starting from 5 rupees. You can go visit the Rakhi store and add to cart and go to view cart after you are done with adding the products. And here you can see free gift is added along with Kalesh gift card. After confirming, you can come down and apply a coupon as shown in the picture. Now you can claim free cash as well. That's it, done. You can place your order and enjoy free gifts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.